I'm Andy Larson, the Motion Control Product Manager for the Automation Group at Cross Company. Here at Cross, we specialize in helping our customers apply technology to improve their manufacturing processes. A very common hurdle that many of our customers find is that when they do have a process they'd like to improve, they have to incorporate a new control system, and along with that comes a long learning curve. In that light, Cross has developed an application-ready solution for our Precision Motion Control Group. This system is designed to enable your engineers to focus where their efforts are most productive. That's developing the code and solving the problem versus having to spend hours configuring and testing a new system. Over the next few minutes, we'll introduce you to the application-ready solution, and hopefully you'll find that the next time you have a precision motion control application, you'll have an option that will enable you to save time and money. Thank you very much.
Typical system will include a 6-inch HMI from Red Lion, a standalone servo drive controller from either Parker or Yaskawa, brushless servo motor, I/O breakout module, motor power feedback cables, power supply, and Ethernet switch along with 2 patch cords. Once the system is wired up and power is applied, you will notice the HMI will start to boot up. As communication is established between the servo drive controller and the HMI, you will see a heartbeat indicator in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Should the indicator animation stop, you will know that communications has been interrupted. From the home screen, we can navigate through different utilities using the function buttons down at the bottom of the screen. The first utility we will look at is the Axis Enable and Jog function. Enabling the drive is done simply by pressing the Enable Axis button. In order to jog the axis, simply press and hold either the positive or negative jog buttons. This is particularly helpful to make sure your system is connected properly. This screen also allows you to change your jog velocity and acceleration settings, at the same time keeping an eye on your current axis information, such as torque, axis position, and velocity. The next button takes us to the input status screen. If you already had input devices wired to the drive, you would be able to see if they were active high or active low. The output status screen not only gives you the ability to monitor the status of the outputs, but also allows you to force them on or off. This is particularly helpful when you need to verify the functionality of the system tied to these outputs. Next is the position and unit screen. This screen enables you to set your user units from the beginning versus having to do your configuration and encoder count-based units. In this case, we are mimicking having the servo attached to a linear positioner with a 5mm lead ball screw drive assembly. If the motor were already mounted to a positioner with a home switch, we would be able to start a typical homing routine by pushing the home axis button. This homing routine is described in the homing appendix of the user manual. The last screen is the limit screen. Since many servos are installed in systems that require the use of limit switches, this gives you a quick and easy way to enable their use as well as configure them as normally open or normally closed.
Thanks for taking a few minutes to learn about our application-ready solution. Next time you have a servo application come up, we would encourage you to give our applications department a call, talk to one of our engineers, and determine if this would be a good solution for you. Thank you. Have a great day.